Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to unlink eFootball account from Game Center. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly unlink your eFootball account from Game Center. Well, what you need to do here is you first need to access the app. Now, inside the app, you have four options at the very top. You have Home, Shop, Academy, and Extras. Now, you want to go access the Extras section. Now, inside extras, so typically you'll need to access the user information, but they actually move things around here. So instead of accessing that, you want to go to support. Now, inside support, you want to look for link data. So let's go and click on link data. Now, inside link data here, you should be able to see accounts or data that you may have linked to your account. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go and just click on the view link data. So if you've already linked your account on Game Center, well, you should be able to see the option here that says view link data. And once you click on view link data, you'll be able to see a button or a link that says unlink data. Now go ahead and just confirm a few things and you're pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.